Okay, so I'm going to do a little thing here for Shadow the Hedgehog sneezing. Now here's how it started. This is a request from somebody I was talking to on DeviantArt, and well, at this point, I'm role playing as Shadow the Hedgehog, and apparently he's sick with the flu. Now, I think I've heard of Shadow sneezing at one point in a video, but we hardly ever hear Shadow sneezing, so I'm gonna see how this works here and pull up a little scenario here real quick. And here goes. Hey Shadow, are you okay? I'm fine. Get out of here, faker. I'm fine. Just go away. Are you sure, Shadow? I mean, you sound pretty bad. Are you okay? I'm fine. Get away. Go. I don't care. Get out. Oh, geez. Okay. Fine. Bye. Damn straight. Stupid cold. Let's try that again. Okay. No, not like that. Okay. Let me try this again. I guess that could work. Someone don't do that. Okay. Someone had that, like, man voice down there and then sneeze. Like, yeah. Totally hard to do. Okay, let me try this again.